In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer payment receipts in any Microsoft Access database project. By the end, you'll have a clean, printable receipt that pulls accurate customer and payment details straight from your database. Start by opening Microsoft Access and either create a new blank database or open the project where you want receipts. It helps to keep everything organized from the start, so give your database a clear name and save it somewhere you can easily find. Next, design the tables you'll need. We're going to store customer information separately from payment details, so everything stays normalized and easy to manage. You need a customers table, which typically includes a primary key like customer ID set to auto number, plus fields for name, email, phone, and billing address. Then create a payments table with a primary key like payment ID, a customer ID FK field set to number to link to customers, a payment date as date, time, and amount as currency, a method for how the payment was made, and any optional notes or reference numbers. With those tables in place, go to the Database Tools tab and open Relationships. Add both tables, then drag Customer ID from Customers to Customer ID FK in Payments. Enforce referential integrity so every payment is tied to a valid customer. This protects your data and prevents orphaned records. To make entry faster and more consistent, create a data entry form for the Payments table. From the Create tab, use the Form Wizard or Start in Form Design. Add a combo box to select the customer from the customers table, show key details like name and email in the dropdown, and bind it to customer IDFK. Format the amount as currency and set a default value for payment date, such as today's date, to save clicks. Now build the query that will power your receipt. Go to Create, then Query Design. Add both customers and payments, confirm the join on customer ID, and select the fields you want to appear on the receipt: customer name and contact details, payment date, amount, method, and any reference information. Save the query with a clear name so you can reuse it. Design the printable receipt using the Report Wizard from the Create tab based on your new query. Group by payment ID so each receipt shows exactly one payment, and sort by date if helpful. Add a title, company information if you have it, and format currency fields for a polished look. Adjust spacing so it fits neatly on a page. Finally, automate receipt generation. Add a button to your payments form that opens the receipt report filtered to the current payment, either previewing or printing it. Save everything, test with a sample payment, and you're ready to generate professional receipts on demand.